Did you know that you could make a lot of money for simply being on a website and giving your review on how you feel the website is? Well, it might not make sense what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that, did you know that you could actually make money for being on a website and clicking on a few buttons and giving the website feedback? It might not make sense what I'm saying, so I'll break it down for you. Did you know that you could go on a website like you have been doing every single day, and whilst you're on the website, they would actually ask you to maybe click on a certain tab or a button, or maybe take a photo of something you see on the website and give your review on how you think the website is and what maybe you don't like about the website. Sounds great, right? Well, it is. Sounds easy, right? Well, it is. Today, I'm going to show you how you can actually make money for simply going on a website and actually doing a few things on the website, like clicking a button, scrolling down, checking how the website is, taking a photo, a screenshot of the screen, and basically getting paid directly into your PayPal account. Sounds amazing, right? Well, all you need to do is watch this video all the way to the end, and I'm going to show you everything, the step-by-step procedure of how you are going to make this money. Now, before we get into the video, please just subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. It doesn't cost you anything at all to subscribe. That red button you see, it's absolutely free. Just click subscribe, it will really help me. And also click the all notification bells. Please just click all the notification bells so that anytime there's a new video, you won't miss it. You'll be able to watch it immediately, and it will help me a lot. So, the website we are going to be dealing with today is called Validately. As you can see here, it's called Validately. Now, Validately is basically a platform that is in cooperation with Google, Amazon, Web, Info, Allstate, Microsoft, Twilio, and many more. So this is a very genuine website, and then as you can see, there are big names over here. So what they do is basically they provide you with a task given by maybe Google or Amazon, and Amazon maybe wants you to give them feedback. So Amazon comes to Validately, and the users of Validately actually get the tasks that have been sent, for example, by Amazon, in order to give a feedback to Amazon. I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide. Maybe it might be confusing, but I will show you exactly what I mean. For example, if you scroll down here, you'll see a little video here. This is basically what they want you to do. They want you to go task 1, task 2. They want you to go onto a certain item on Amazon and maybe take a photo of it, or maybe just, give your feedback on what you think about the product. It's very simple and it's very great. You must understand that you can actually do this on your phone or on your computer, so it doesn't really matter what you're using at the moment. You can actually do this, and know that this is available worldwide. It doesn't matter the country you're coming from. Maybe you think you're coming from America or South America or Europe or Asia or maybe Africa or Australia even. It doesn't really matter. This opportunity is worldwide. So no matter where you are, you can actually do this. All you need to do is have a phone and a computer, and you'll be good to go. Now, what you need to do, you see here, it says get paid to test. You want to click on get paid to test. Once you click get paid to test, you will see here start making money. You want to click on start making money, because definitely you want to make the money. So basically what you would need to do is you will need to create an account. So you want to click on create an account. So they're asking you what type of mobile device do you own. So you want to maybe click you own an iPhone. What type of computer do you own? What version of Windows do you use? Gender. What year were you born? What is your level of education? What is your employment status? In what industry are you working? What is your job title? So basically you're filling it out based on the things of your life. It's as simple as that. The questions are pretty much very simple. You want to just follow in the steps. What is your full name? So you're giving your full name, whatever your full name is, you put it there. Then you want to put in your email address as well. So basically just following the steps, very simple, nothing major over here. So it's not a big deal, you just follow the procedure, put in your email. Okay, address already exists. As you can see, I already basically have an account, so I don't want to. So all you want to do is you want to follow the procedure. Now, I'm going to show you exactly the type of job that they're going to provide to you. So they've given me Amazon website. Visit the Amazon website. Please take a screenshot of the Amazon website homepage. Number 3, locate today's deals on Amazon's homepage and take a screenshot. Number 4, search for Panasonic Lumix G9 4K digital camera 20.3 and take a screenshot. So they want me to go, number 1, to visit the Amazon website. So what I'll need to do is I'll need to go to Amazon. Okay, so once I'm here, basically what they want me to do is they want me to take a screenshot of this to prove that I've been on their website. So you're going to open the snipping tool, or you can take a screenshot. So the snipping tool is basically to take a screenshot, and here we are. So you want to save. You want to make sure you save that. Now, step 2, they say please take a screenshot of the Amazon website homepage. Okay, that's what you've done. Step 3, locate today's deals on Amazon's homepage and take a screenshot. So we need to go back to Amazon and locate today's deals. So this is today's deals over here. So this is today's deals. Then they want me to take a screenshot of this as well. So we want to come here and we want to take a screenshot of this. This is today's deals. And we want to save that as well. Okay. Now, search for Panasonic Lumix G9 4K digital camera 20.3 and take a screenshot. Okay. So you want to copy that, and then you want to go back and you want to search for that. So over here, I want to paste Panasonic Lumix G9 4K digital camera. Okay, so this is it right here. Digital camera 20.3. So you want to click on that, depending on what they want you to do, of course. But in my case, it's this one. So basically, they want me to take a screenshot of this. So I'm going to go back to my snipping tool. and I want to take a screenshot of this. Alright, and then I want to save that. Okay, as you can see, I've completed all the tasks. It's as simple as that. So they will just give you something based maybe on Google or on Amazon. It doesn't really matter. It could come from any source. So they want you to do a couple of tasks on the website and they're going to pay you. It's as simple as that. Not a lot of stress, and it's easy money. So basically all you need to do is you want to create an account on Validately. So it's very simple. Just make sure that you have an account and you'll be good to go. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember the website is validately.com, and if you do have any questions, please comment them down below. I'll be willing to reply to you as soon as possible, and please subscribe, turn on all notifications. I'll really appreciate that so that you don't miss any of my new videos when I do release them for you to make more money online. Cheers.